Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Beverly de Guzman, 30 years old. I am single. I am high school graduate and I graduated a vocational course in TESDA as a caregiver. I live in San Jacinto, Pangasinan, Philippines. I have 7 sisters and 4 brothers, and I am the seventh in the family. I have work experience like a babysitter for 2 years, ages 3 years old and 2 months old. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of children and doing household chores like cleaning, cooking, marketing, laundry, and ironing clothes. Sometimes I also teach the toddler some basic educational stuff. Good day, ma'am and sir. I hope you select me as a helper. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person. I promise that I will serve your family and I will do my best. Thank you and hope to see you soon.